wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Gusti Prihatin and you can call me Eka. My student ID number is 6325590 and I'm from class 63.1B point 37 and I'm from BSI University Pemuda. So now I want to giving my opinion about smoking in the campus area. As we know, campus is a place for learning. It's a place where we spend countless hours pursuing knowledge and building our futures. Therefore, it is essential that we must create a clean and healthy living environment on campus so that we feel comfortable while studying. The smoking ban aims to create a healthy and clean environment for the entire academic community. This regulation is not meant to restrict, but to protect. If you still want to smoke, you must look for a place outside the campus that allows you to smoke. This is crucial to protect the academic community, especially non-smokers. Why? Because smoking is not only detrimental to the smoker themselves, but also to the people around them. The impact of cigarette is very harmful. It affects our health, our air quality, and our overall well-being. So let's work together to make our campus a safe and healthy space for everyone. Let's start living healthy together. Thank you. That's all from me. Bye.
Hello everyone. Today I want to explain about the use of models for making a request. Let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Gusti Prihatin. My student ID number is 6325590 and I'm from class 63.1B point 37. Okay, so what a definition of modals? Modals are auxiliary verbs that express ability, possibility, permission, and obligation or necessity. The ability is about what someone can or cannot do. If possibility is about what might happen or might be true. And if permission is what someone is allowed to do. And then the obligation or necessity is what someone must or should do. Okay, next. What are a request? A request is asking someone to do something for you. For example, is can you help me? Or could you close the door, please? Yeah, there are the example. And the formula for requests using modals is modal plus subject plus verb one plus object or complement, and don't forget to use question mark. And then the common modal for is can, could, might, will, would, shall, should, and must. And the common models used for requests is can, could, will, would, and might. Okay, can. The function is to express ability or informal request. The politeness level is low. Can is suitable for friends and family. For example, can you grab me a coffee? Can I borrow your pen? Can I wait a minute? Sorry. Can you wait a minute? And then cool. Cool is more polite and formal than can. The politeness level is standard or high. For example, could you possibly help me move this table? Could I leave the office slightly early today? Okay, next is will. Will is used to ask someone to do something quite direct but polite with please. For example, will you come with me? Will you pass the sugar, please? Okay, add you can adding please. Yeah. So and then next is would. Would is polite and often used in formal situations. Yeah. For example, would you like to come to my party this Sunday? Or would you like a cup of tea? And then my. My is very formal. For example, might I use your phone? Might I ask a question? So this is comparing the models. You can see that this this is the model and the politeness level. If can, the politeness level is for casual, cool is polite, and will is neutral, would is polite, and mine is very formal. Okay, next. Next is adding please. When using models of request, we can place please either after the subject or at the end of the sentence to make the sentence more polite. For example, will you lend me some money, please? Or will you please lend me some money? You can adding please, you know, after the subject or at the end of the sentence. This is would you mind? If you want to use would you mind, you should add the verb in. You use verb in, you know. When we want to make a polite request in English, we can use the phrase would you mind. For example, would you mind turning on the lamp? The verb in is turning. And then would you mind closing the window? The verb in is closing. So we should use verb in if we use would you mind. Okay. And then this is more example about model for making a request. So the more example is, can I borrow your bicycle? Could you please help me with this box? Might I see your ID, please? Will you check out the trash now? Would you be able to reschedule our meeting? Yeah, that is this more example about it. And we can accepting the request. Yeah, if we want to accepting a request, For example, the question is, can you help me? We can answer with yes, I can. And if the question is, would you help me? We can answer yes, I will. And then we can reject a request too. If the question is, can you help me? We can answer no, I can. And if the question is, would you help me? And we can answer no, I won't. Okay, the last is the conclusion. The conclusion. The conclusion is in making requests in English, we use modal verbs such as can, could, will, and would, and might. Can and will are used for informal or friendly requests. For example, can you help me? Could and would are used for more polite or formal requests. For example, could you lend me your connection step? And might are used for very formal requests. For example, might I request to leave early today for a personal matter? Okay, and by choosing the right modal verb, we can adjust the level of politeness, and make our communication more appropriate and effective in different situations. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. So, bye bye.